Good morning, it's Jane from Chalk Mercantile and Surface Anthology. Hope you guys are doing well. I've got a really quick little tutorial that I want to share with you today. I received an email from a customer who had used this beautiful Miss Mustard Seed Yellow on a piece. And though she really loves it, she feels like it's too bright and was kind of in, I call it a painting 911. She was in a panic that it was so bright and she didn't know what to do. She was asking me about sanding it down, just wanted some options. And there are a lot of options. So if you ever find yourself with a piece that you're not loving the color, it's too bright, it's too dark, it's too warm or cool, there are ways to adjust it. And what I spoke to her about or wrote to her about was using the option of using different color waxes to affect the color, the brightness of the Miss Mustard Seed Yellow. So hopefully she's watching. I'm gonna put that on there. So what I'm gonna show you guys is I've already put a coat of clear wax. I always do a slip coat of clear. You don't have to, but make sure you do a test. I always do, no matter what I'm doing, just to give myself that little safety net in case I put the dark wax on, the antiquing wax, and the slip coat will kind of stop it from being absorbed into the paint. So if I want to lift some of it up, I can. All right, so what I want to show you is Miss Mustard Seed's white wax and her antiquing wax. So I'm gonna put some tape down to keep it nice and clean. All right, and all you need is obviously the wax and a couple of natural bristle brushes. Oh dear, let's see if we can get that to stay down. Okay. It's kind of hard to get tape to stick to wax, but I just wanted a little clean separation. So if we want to lighten and soften the color, we would put the white on. Okay, so let me show you what that looks like. And I'm just, like I always tell you guys, scoop out your wax, put it on a cardboard palette so you don't contaminate it. All right, and I'm just gonna brush on the white. And I didn't sand this piece a lot after I painted it, and it's on a really, really rough oak little box here. It's gonna have a lot of texture. Okay, so there's the white wax. Then I'm just gonna grab some paper towels and wipe away the excess. And you want to keep turning that when you're doing this. But you can already see how much that color is softened. It's still light, so it's not going to be a dark color. We didn't make it dark, but it softens the yellow. Now let me show you the antiquing wax. It's a really beautiful color. It's like a, I guess like a burnt umber color, not too warm. All right, same thing. And again, this is a really rough piece of oak, so I gotta kind of work to get it down into the nooks and crannies. All right, same thing. I just have a bunch of paper towels, wipe away. Now that knocks down the brightness. Obviously it's a darker color. So I want to show you. Look at the difference, right? So here's Miss Mustard Seed Yellow with just clear wax. Here it is with white wax, and here it is with her antiquing wax. And it looks like 3 different colors of paint. You can also mix, if you don't want it quite this dark, you could take some of her antiquing wax and her clear wax, mix that up, and that will be a little bit lighter, okay? So this is a way to adjust the color. Don't panic, grab your waxes, and always do a little test spot so you can see where it lives. Like wherever her piece is, that's where she should test it, because light is also going to affect how this looks in the room, right? So if I turn it away, look at how different the color is than when I turn it to the window. I've got a window right over here. So that is your little quick bite-sized tutorial. Give it a shot. If you guys have any questions at all, please ask me in the comments. Hope you're having a great Thursday and happy painting.